Welcome back to another episode of Project Make Old Stang Great Again, or Project Old Stang. You can see this window tint looks pretty bad. I did it just to see if I could do it forever ago. It's also not dark enough. This is like 35%, which is way too light. And well, when I was buying all the paint and stuff for the video that came before this actually, I got a little carried away when I was buying stuff, or when I was shopping for stuff to do with the car. And I saw this. It's just cheap window tint, but this says 20% compared to the 35. So I'm going to show you guys how to do your own window tint. Now, I wouldn't recommend this stuff necessarily because it doesn't really, it's harder to work with because it's a cheap, crappy material. I would definitely recommend buying from 3M or somebody who makes actual good window tint. But for now, we're going to try this stuff out. Maybe it'll surprise me, but last time, not so much. But I'm going to show you guys how I do it personally. Not everybody does it the same way. That's fine. Who cares? But I'll show you how I do it, how I cut it. Maybe it'll work for you. The first step to doing your own window tint is if you already have window tint, you want to get rid of the old stuff. Best way to do that is with a razor blade, typically. This stuff though was real cheap. Man, it just peels right off. Now you do want to clean the window off. Now there are a bunch of scratches in the Looks a lot better than it did before. It's nice. It looks a lot darker than before, which is nice. Obviously, a $10 thing of window tint isn't going to be that great. You're always better off paying somebody. Oh my god. And you also step in window tint constantly. That's annoying. As you can see, it's far from perfect. There's little spots that I should have had a sharper knife for that. I don't know why I didn't replace it before I started this video. It's not terrible. It'll do for now. You're always better off just paying somebody to do your window tint because 9 times out of 10 it has warranty. Like I said, it's a $10 roll. If you want to do it, do it. It's worth it. I mean, it's cool. It's fun to try it. At least like see how you do. I'm sure there's people that can do it at home and do a great job of it. I'm not a professional by any means. I mean, this car is far from professional. I'll tell you that right now. Hello, friend.
You filming?
We have a lot to discuss with what's going on with the GTI and some other stuff. We need to make a lunch break video again.
Definitely.
We'll explain what's going on with Matt's car in another video. Hopefully we can film a lunch break here in the next few days and go over that. It's interesting. Anyways, that's how you do cheap window tint. Do it at your own risk. If it's worth the $10 or that. The pollen in Ohio is insane right now. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because my allergies are going crazy and pollen's insane right now. If you guys are enjoying the Old Stang videos, please drop a like, comment what else you want to see on the car, what you want to know with either car or with me, whatever. I enjoy answering your questions and responding to your comments. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy and see ya.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. I'm talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game has been paying.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.